G'day and welcome back to the shed. Today we're working on a 2009 Subaru Forester. It's naturally aspirated and it has a misfire on cylinder 2. The code, it does throw a code if you try and put your foot down, and the other day I did replace the HT leads and I did notice there was a crack on the post that comes out from cylinder 2. There's a lot of corrosion in there. I'll show you when I take this off anyway. Yeah, this is just kind of in the series of the minimum information you need to do this job, which is it's pretty straightforward. All you need is a 10mm spanner, some pliers, and I'm going to put some gloves on too. There we go. And you'll also need obviously a replacement coil. It's actually only held on by 3 bolts. There's a spare thing here, I don't know, obviously very good reason why they haven't used that. There's an electrical connector here and it sits like that, and you've got cylinders 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Basically all we're going to do is undo the 3 bolts on the old one. Okay, so I did say you need pliers. On mine, these aren't that tight. I can actually do it with my fingers. Take that one off. Disconnect that electrical connector. All the HT leads are off. Either take a photo or just remember where they go. The ones that go to the front go to the top, the ones at the back go to the underneath, and just maneuver this out to get the old one out. As you can see, top one there, which is cylinder 2, does have a crack in it. This did have a lot of corrosion inside here, which was the original cause of the misfire. The leads were bad as well, so I replaced those. Notice this crack point. So the corrosion had actually expanded the whole connection, which, yeah, now it's giving me jip. I also put a little bit of dielectric grease on all the connections of the HT leads going into the coil. Helps to keep the moisture out and keep a good contact in there, and keep that corrosion at bay as well. There's some already on the leads from when I put them on before. Installation is a reversal of the removal procedure. Reconnect the pipes. Now running nice and smooth again.